All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 19 of our February Daily Math. Only 2 days left. Man, you guys have worked so hard this month. Keep up the great work, okay? All right, so we have a number plus a number equals 14. So this square or box is saying it needs to be the same number. So if we have the same number, and it's like, like a 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 3, what number would that be that would be 14? Yeah, very good. It is 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So we know this square has to be 7. Now we have a part and a whole. So 7 plus what equals 11? Well, let's start at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if we add 4 to 7, we get 11. So the circle equals 4. Great job. All right, number 2, 528. What is the value of the 5? Well, it's in the hundreds place, and it's a 5. So the value is 500. Again, it's in the hundreds place, and it's a 5, so the value's 500. Number 3, Spencer has a bag of candy hearts. How many candy hearts are in his bag? All right, so we would need to do what to those 3 numbers? Yeah, we're just going to combine them all. We're going to add them, right? I see a 10 there, so 6 plus 4 is 10, and 7 more is 17. How many candy hearts? 17. Candy hearts. Number 4, Mr. Parker has some lollipops. He gives 27 lollipops to his students. Now he has 18. How many lollipops did Mr. Parker start with? All right, so we have a big number. So we could think of it like, we have a big number, so we'll put L down for lollipops. And then we take away 27 of the ones that he gives to his students. And now he has 18 left. So what do we need to do with those 2 numbers to get the big number? Yeah, very good. We have to combine them. What we have left with what we gave away will give us the total. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. And 2 plus 1 is 4. So 45 minus 27 equals 18. Nice job. I'm sorry, 45. Let me write down lollipops. There we go. All right. Number 5, draw a picture that shows the data above. Use 1 heart for each heart. All right. So a title, let's go Candy Hearts. And I took that from right here, Candy Hearts. Okay, and it looks like the word pink is already dotted there for us to kind of trace over. And we would also need white and purple. Okay, so how many pink hearts? 7. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. White, there are 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And purple has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there you go, boys and girls. We have 1 day left in our February Daily Math. Amazing. Way to go. 1 more day. We'll see you tomorrow.